Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make mayonnaise at home. First, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need 1 large egg yolk, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar. Also, have 1 cup of a neutral oil, like canola or grapeseed, and a pinch of salt ready. A crucial tip for success is ensuring all your ingredients are at room temperature before you begin. This helps tremendously with achieving a stable and creamy emulsion. Now let's get to the heart of making mayonnaise, the emulsion. Begin by whisking your egg yolk, mustard, and vinegar in a medium bowl until they are thoroughly combined. The key here is patience. Start adding your oil, literally drop by drop, while continuously whisking with great vigor. As the mixture begins to thicken and emulsify, you can then slowly increase the oil stream to a thin, steady flow, maintaining that constant whisking. Once your mayonnaise has reached a beautiful, thick consistency, it's time to fine-tune the flavor and texture. Season it generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your personal preference. If you find the mayonnaise a bit too thick, simply whisk in a few drops of warm water or a squeeze of fresh lemon juice until you achieve your desired consistency. Feel free to get creative by adding fresh herbs, minced garlic, or a dash of paprika for unique variations. To ensure your delicious homemade mayonnaise stays fresh and safe, proper storage is essential. Transfer it into an airtight container and store it promptly in the refrigerator. When stored correctly, your mayonnaise will maintain its quality and freshness for up to 5 days. Remember, always prioritize food safety by using the freshest possible eggs, ideally pasteurized, to minimize any risks and achieve the best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.